From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
What going on, guys? It's a girl with Razor in the ding, and today we are looking beautiful. And style we can rock it. My hair has already been prepped and ready to attack this. What do we call it? Mini braids, guys. I had to mentally prepare myself for this for the whole week because I know this will be a struggle. So insert clips of how I prep my hair for this style. I shampooed, conditioned, and deep conditioned my hair. You guys are seeing me spraying leave-in conditioner into my hair before I apply my moisturizing product. So then I moisturized my hair into big sections. You guys know I prefer to do my hair. Well, I prefer to do certain hairstyles when my hair is stretched, but I don't really like to use heat to stretch my hair. So I would put my hair in some big braids, moisturized braids, leave them in overnight, and then detangle the next day, and boom. These braids are just to stretch my hair because I don't want to use heat and I want to make sure that my hair is stretched, so it's a lot easier and less intimidating when I do my hair. So I'm going to oil my scalp, feel for my parts. It has a nozzle so I can also go inside the braid if I wanted to. I'm going to massage it in for a while, and I'll probably style my hair tomorrow. The last time I did mini braids was sometime last year, and I left them in for a couple days, like not even a week. Was it a week? Probably a week, maybe. And then I took them down, which made no sense. But this time I'm going to try to leave them in a lot longer. Mini braids are something that I used to do a lot in the past, as I said, and it helped me grow my hair out really long. That was my go-to low maintenance style that helped me grow my hair to almost hip length, guys. Before I went away for college, you guys know how long my hair was. I was rocking mini braids a lot, especially in high school. Let's start. Have my champagne in the building because we're gonna be here all night. Let's go. So I'm going to start with the back section first. I am so rude. I did not tell you guys how we got to this point. So you remember those braids in the beginning of the video? Yes, we unraveled them. Well, first of all, a day later, we unraveled the dry braids, brushed it out with my tangle teaser, and we was good to go. We got stretched hair, right? But before that, I twisted my hair up. We wanted my hair to be even more stretched, so we twisted my hair up, as I said, and we did some big bantu knots. Yes, some gigantic bantu knots. And we did the same thing on each side. Well, the other side, and then I did the same thing at the back. But can we talk about how juicy and shiny these braids look, though? Like, this could have been a bomb braid out. Every time I take my braids down, I'm like, damn, this could have really been a bomb braid out. But that's not what we're doing today. So my hair is already moisturized and stretched. I'm going to turn around. I'm using a rat tail comb to part my hair. Is it straight at the back? Let me know. Like, no. Let me know. Straight? Okay, great. How small are we gonna do these today, Razor? Ooh, we really gonna be here all night. Okay. So my hair is moisturized, but we're going to overkill. So I don't have to add water or anything like that because, as I said, my hair is thoroughly moisturized. But I am going to add some butter just for extra protection and to help with flyaways and stuff like that. We know how to braid. If you don't know, what's wrong with you? Break that into 3 and we're gonna start braiding. I feel like I braid pretty fast. I got a lot of recommendations from you guys in my recent video about what Netflix shows you guys are watching, and just add some more butter as I get to my end. The reason that I use a butter instead of a cream, when I use a butter, my hair lasts a lot longer. It stays moisturized. My hair doesn't dry out too fast. Okay, I'm not going to braid all the way down to the ends. Curl the ends around my fingers and use a gel. 1 down, 1,000 more to go. Well, not really. If you guys are not new, you can recognize that product at the back of me. So if you're wondering what product I used to braid my hair, I used Alikay Natural Super Twisting Butter. And to moisturize my hair prior, I also used from the Alikay Naturals Lemongrass collection. I used their Lemongrass leave-in conditioner and then I topped it off with the moisture-rich hair Parfait. Done, and it took me about an hour and a half to do the back. I'm probably gonna go through the front a lot quicker, but this is what the back is looking like. Let me turn it around. So for the front, I'll start underneath just like that. I'm trying to finish my whole head by at least 11 o'clock. I eliminated the comb when I part. Most sections, I'm just using my fingers and parting. Oh, to finish up my Netflix conversation, right now I'm watching The Witch. I'm not sure if that's the correct name for the series on Netflix. It's really corny. It took a while to grow on me, but I low-key kind of like it. And I finished Locked and Key in 2 days. It was amazing. I loved it. You guys introduced me to Love is Blind. But I haven't been watching Netflix yet. As I do my hair, I'm also watching YouTube videos right now. It's 10:42 and I did not finish by 11. I still have this side to do. I'm done. I'm tired. I'm going to finish the rest tomorrow. I just felt like the front took a lot longer to do. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's another day. We're gonna tackle and finish this side right now because I've had enough. We done. Clink, clink. That's it. Good morning, guys. So we're going to finish the other side, well, the last quadrant of my hair today. I slept with a scarf around my front part, and you guys saw me with a bonnet on. Whew! Today's the day we're gonna finish. These are really small, so this should last me a good time. Today we're not drinking champagne, we're drinking some tea. This is my hair growth tea. I'll put that card up somewhere below, but this is the tea that I told you guys about that I make that contains all my supplements. So I usually drink tea in the morning or at night. I did went ahead and braid this last night as well so it can get some more stretch. I was not sleeping with a bantu knot in my head. Hair is still moisturized, hair is still soft. Whew, now time to tackle this bad boy. Check the time since I started doing this. Oh, I had a feeling it was almost 12. It's 11:42 right now. I have this much left. Okay, so I did finish before 12, so it's 11:54. Finished. We are done. Mini Braids is in the building. Like, what's up? I love it actually. So I know I'm going to enjoy not having to comb my hair for some days, maybe some weeks. We will see. Do you like it? And it's cute even without accessorizing it with the gold accessories or beads. I have beads, y'all. I was thinking of putting in some beads, but I don't want to put it in yet. I'm looking for my scissors. I saw a split end. Ooh, what do you guys think? Guys, I am in love. I look so cute with braids, and they look so moisturized and shiny. I'm going to show you guys the length. Good morning, guys. So let's see what it looks like today, what the braids are looking like. Yes, I have to hold the camera down here because this is where the light is. Let me come a little closer for you. So this is a better view of the top. Ooh, looking neat. Still moisturized, still shiny, really shiny. And I was so happy that I didn't have to do my hair this morning. Just take off my bonnet and hop in my car and bye-bye. See you later. Oh, and I also didn't do anything to my edges because I made sure I got them in there when I did my braids, but I haven't worked out yet, so we'll see. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye.